welcome to stuff. You may have already seen my Spurs rebuild.
What if someone is allergic to vegetables? They would die. Wait, I mean water. What if someone was allergic to water?
Can't. There's no way. Anyway, now I'm gonna do a Lakers rebuild, and yeah. So I already did the rebuild. You can just see the roster. There's Lonzo Ball, Jeff Teague, Devin Harris, Monte Ellis, Nick Young, Corey Brewer, Paul George, Ron Artest, Luol Deng, Dirk Nowitzki, Josh Smith, Yao Ming.
What? Luol Deng.
And then we're just gonna go to the playoff tree. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Alright, so this is game 7 now. And yeah, I mean, can't always get what you want, but it's better than nothing, I guess. Serious, but that way, I guess is how it is, you know? Okay, so in the first quarter, I'm gonna skip over to the fourth quarter. And remember, like I said, it's 2 minutes long. But hey, if it doesn't want to be 2 minutes long, it's choice. But if it does want to be 2 minutes long, let's let it be 2 minutes long. Okay, got it. And we did not get that. Great. Now, what are you doing? Get over there. Yeah, Carrie's a really good player. I can't argue with that. No one can really. I'm just gonna pass to Lonzo Ball. Ooh. Hey, is that Lonzo Ball? Who is that? Yes, Lonzo Ball. No, get back over here. Get him before he's open. Yes. Wait, did I seriously miss? Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Guys, can't be losing right now. This is game 7 of the finals. Game 7. And then he's got blocked. Wow. 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 Just wow. Still. Great. We're losing 8-2 right now. Gotta do what we can to catch up. Almost gonna go for 3. Here he goes. Alright. That's a 2. Step back. Right. Jeff Teague for 3. Yeah. With 15 seconds left in the first quarter. Now, block it. Yes. Well, it's not really surprising because Yao Ming blocked it. So, not that surprising, but it's not surprising either. I'm gonna shoot right here. And I'll see you in the fourth quarter. Okay, it is the fourth quarter now. And we are winning by 18 points. And yeah. Hopefully we can keep it that way. They won't come back from an 8-point deficit. But hey, you never know, right? If we win, just let you know. Then we came back from a 3-0 deficit. If we lose, then what a waste of all those games that we won. 4. Game 7. Jay, you know. Right. Devin Harris, here he comes. Pass the ball. Pass it. Out of bounds. Okay, our ball. It's good. It's our ball. Ray Allen's on that team. for some reason. But like I said before, I guess things happen. Come on. Give it to him! Stupid ref. Why is he standing? Finally. Okay. Shoot it. Oh! Stole a ball. Guys, can't be doing this. Cannot be doing this. You hear me? Do you hear me? Shoot. Oh my gosh. Run, run, run. Whatever. They better not come back from 3. 4 minutes. How much time is left? 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay. That's not really enough time, so. Well, that means. Yeah, just stop and pop, I guess. Boom! Boom, 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 boom. Run over there, run. No. Are you kidding me? Are you seriously kidding me? We cannot let Kyrie Irving, the best finisher of all time in my opinion, be open like that. Like, never. Now do a 3, Devin Harris. Do a 3! Up by 16. 25-41. Great. 27-41. Who's that? Jennifer Fry. Yeah. Jennifer Fry. Guess what? There's less than a minute left, Jennifer Fry. And Devin Harris is gonna beat you, Jennifer Fry. Jennifer Fry, guess what? You guys are gonna blow a 3-0 deficit, Jennifer Fry. And you guys are not gonna win, Jennifer Fry. Got the Jennifer Fry? I wanna fry you, Jennifer Fry. Fry, fry, fry. And Josh Smith is shooting free throws. I don't know if he's good for the shoot or not, but maybe he is. Who knows? Oh well. He barely made that. Oh, that was an M1. Was? And a whole new group is coming in. Lonzo Ball, Paul George, and Nowitzki Yami. Okay, that's good. That's really good. That's extremely good. We just need to what? And boom! Right. By 15? 16? Get it. No. Oh my gosh. Don't leave him open. He's got an AM1. What's happening? What the heck? Let's go. Let's go. What's that? This is confusing right now. What the heck? Oh, finally. Ugh. They might actually come back. I'm hoping they don't, though. If they do, obviously I'll be very mad, but hey, hopefully they don't, like I just said. Right. Meta World Peace, and he's got blocked. I seen him get blocked in 2K. I should get a computer. Oh my gosh! Don't leave LeBron open! God, wait. Don't you guys want to win? I mean, sure, there's like, less than 20 seconds left, but still. We gotta learn a lesson after we win. Okay. They can come back. They can score 13 points in 14 seconds. And Tracy McGrady scored 13 points. Yeah, they can. I'm just kidding. Oh boy, Rayon, of course. Scoring at 3. And I'm just gonna hold the ball, I guess. Or sight, or I'm gonna go for the buzzer beater. Never mind. Okay. Well, we won anyway. We are the champions, my friend, with our 17th title. And with that luxury build, I guess we were able to pull it off. Wow. But, yeah. And that was the end of this rebuild. Comment if you want me to do another one. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And I'm going for, and I want to get 100 subscribers. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.